Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Altima with a manual key. Sometimes, your key fob battery might run out, leaving you unable to unlock or start your car normally. Don't worry, your Nissan Altima has a clever backup plan. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you back on the road, even when your key fob seems completely unresponsive. It's a handy trick to know for any driver. First, let's find that hidden manual key. Take your Nissan Altima key fob and look for a small button or switch, usually on the side or back. Press or slide this mechanism, and you'll see a small metal key pop out or become accessible. Gently pull this key completely free from the fob. This is your essential tool for gaining entry when the electronic functions are not working. Now that you have the manual key, head to the driver's side door of your Altima. Look closely at the door handle. You'll find a small keyhole, often covered by a cap that can be gently removed. Insert the manual key all the way into this keyhole. Then, turn the key either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your model, to unlock the door. You should hear a click as the lock disengages. Once inside, you can still start your Altima even with a dead key fob battery. Place the key fob directly against the push button Start on your dashboard. This allows the car to read the fob's internal chip. While holding the fob against the button, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, push the start button. Your Nissan Altima should now start, allowing you to drive and replace the fob battery at your convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.